Now, Storm Team 2 meteorologist Cameron Saliga with the Miami Valley's certified most accurate forecast.
Well, if you were at the Hamvention there, well, it was a little bit wet here as we went through the morning hours. We have the showers moving through, even some thunderstorms in our northern counties, mainly a few rumbles of thunder here in the southern half of the Miami Valley, but for the most part, showers here in Dayton. But as we went through the daytime, you can see it's pretty cloudy out there for the most part until we got into the afternoon. This was the morning hours when we saw all that rain moving through, and until the afternoon, we didn't see that sun coming out. You could see it, though, as we headed through the middle of the afternoon, a little bit of sunshine out there at times. And then the clouds started to return here as we went into the last about hour and a half ago is when that cloud cover started to move back into the area. Temperatures right now where the rain-cooled air is located, it's 73 still here in Dayton. It is even warmer up into our into the north, up in Michigan and parts of northwest Ohio. So we're in a little bit of a rain-cooled area here as we went into the midday, and now in the afternoon we got up to about 75 here today, which is right around where we're used to this time of year, and so is that low 55 degrees. 2/10 of an inch of precipitation at the Dayton International Airport. Then the big warm up here as we go into the daytime tomorrow, starting off up north right around 84, 85 degrees in those northern counties. So it is going to get into the mid 80s here, and then we'll get into the upper 80s in some parts of the Miami Valley as we get into the work week. But 85 Dayton, 84 in Springboro. A light shower there near Preble County and Eaton. You can see it's very small in nature, not really doing too much here as we go through the 6 o'clock hour. But as we zoom out, you can see some severe weather down into parts of southern Indiana, into parts of northern Kentucky as well, parts of Illinois. Those storms are going to be really just confined to that severe thunderstorm watch, because that is where they had some clearing into the middle of the daytime, and that's where they have the instability located. Heading into the nighttime, though, that system will be moving eastward, and our southern counties will get some good amount of rainfall here as we go into the nighttime. Could see some heavy rain into about I-70 and south. Dayton, 73 degrees for the current temperature, 75 in Bellefontaine. We even got up to 77 there as we went into about the 4 o'clock hour in Bellefontaine. 75 currently in Fairborn, in the 60s in Springboro. Look at a future track here as we go into the nighttime, heading into the middle of the night. That's when we see the chances of showers arriving here, and we could even see some of that heavy rain sneak its way into our southern counties late in the nighttime. Not expecting severe weather here tonight, and could even see a chance of some light rain, even some moderate showers embedded within those as we head through the morning hours, but clearing into the middle of the daytime. Lots of sunshine in the afternoon. It's probably going to feel pretty humid out there after the rain moves out, because those temperatures again into the mid 80s, and we'll see that sun coming out, so it's going to feel very muggy at times early in the afternoon. 62 degrees here as we go through the nighttime tonight. Showers, storms, mainly in our southern counties. Mostly cloudy skies and winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. We'll have much warmer temperatures tomorrow, rain in the morning, and then we'll have mostly sunny skies going into the afternoon. Not too bad for the winds, 5 to 12 miles per hour. 7-day forecast here as we go through the next week. Monday's going to be dry, the day to get outside there as we get up to 87 degrees. Tuesday is the day to watch out for the chance for some stronger storms going into the afternoon, evening hours. 87 degrees, but we will again have that chance for some stronger storms. Wednesday, showers as we go through the morning hours and cooler temperatures until we get to Saturday, back to 77.